Historically, if a student came in wanting to teach, we didn't necessarily have much to offer them in terms of a way to test things out. This program, the PhysTEC program, tries to bring up the question early on in a student's career where you might actually think about teaching as a possible career path. Part of the PhysTEC grant is to train physics teachers. One component of that is to pay them to be paid learning assistants in the introductory physics course. During these sorts of classes, the students are working in small groups, generally working on whiteboards and doing hands-on kind of activities to try to develop some conceptual understanding, especially on the parts that are barriers to learning in physics.
In class, the students solve problems. So in the case of when I took Physics 240, we had a series of videos we were to watch. And you would watch the videos, you'd read the textbook, and then you'd come into class and you would have a basic understanding of what's going on.
So the students, the learning assistants, basically the idea is that they've taken this course very likely last year, and this year as sophomores, they have the chance to act as the learning assistants.
Each student learns differently, and sometimes you have to just realize, you know what, this isn't working, I've got to change tactics, and figuring out when to change tactics, how to change tactics, and just to see when somebody isn't quite there. In my personal opinion, I think that it's a wonderful program and that it's going quite wonderfully so far.